Huh?
Dang it! I'm gonna be late for band practice.
Unexpected things happen every day.
Phenomena Man! Can SDN help me out with this? It's blocking the driveway.
You can count on SDN to help lift the burdens life throws at us. Let SDN be your rock, so you can rock.
She's definitely not making it to band practice.
Yeah. Wait, what's that?
No, just the commercial. It was weird.
Weird. Yeah, right. Phenomena Man. He's like a rock star. It's I'm joking, cause of the rock and the roll. Cool commercial. I'm a Phenomena fan, you might say. You could say that.
He's not the best actor, though, which was important for that commercial to be less, weird.
He is the best actor. Well, acting when there's danger. I think if the whole world is a play, then he's still awesome.
Can't argue that.
God. Yep, that's not right. That is not right. That is, yep. That is, yeah.
Okay, let me help.
Oh, no, no, not necessary. I'm sure
It's soaked. You nervous? Big job interview?
No, I mean, yes, but yes is more... My powers make everything wet, moist. Water boy is how they call me, but yes, I am.
Oh non. Ah bah Waterboy ça tombe plutôt bien. Oups.
Oh, okay. Oh, now that your face is next aside of my face, I see that I know you, of you. You're Mecha Man. You're dead, I thought.
Just on the inside.
Look small or different in person.
Never meet your heroes, kid.
Oh, wasn't sure you'd show up.
Oh, wow! Laser, Juan, a real hero.
Oh, sorry, but I need him for something. Follow me.
Que de violence.
Take your clothes off.
What's
What?
happening right now?
We don't want too many people knowing you're Mecha Man. A lot of our dispatchers are former heroes, but it's better if you keep your identity a secret. We've had incidents in the past. Here. I remembered you being bigger. I was a little drunk. Listen, it's gonna be great.
I've never felt silly wearing this.
Until now.
Yeah, I was trying to imply that with the silence.
It worked. Get dressed. I have somebody I need you to meet. Oh, sorry. Should I turn around? Or what do you... should I close my eyes, maybe? If that makes you more comfortable.
It's fine, I don't mind.
Oh, yeah, no, it's sure.
Stare at me straight in the eyes or anything, because that would be odd.
Yeah, I'll actually... Yeah, I'm just gonna... There.
It doesn't look like it, but I am flexing every muscle in my body right now.
Really?
Okay, well, you didn't have to say it like that.
I want to say again, I'm sorry about last night. I regret the way I conducted myself. It was a mistake. A complicated mistake. I can, go into the details of those complications with you later.
Didn't feel like a mistake. At least not to me.
Well, that makes one of us.
It was a nice night. Nothing more than that.
Yeah, I'd like to keep things professional.
Right, that's why you brought me to this conference room to strip down in front of you. Profesh.
Are you serious?
Who loves a conference room? So, you two fuck or what?
You kissed? but it was very innocent.
Like cheek innocent or tip of your dick innocent?
Okay, stop. First of all, we did not kiss. You kissed me. Second of all, it's none of your freaking business.
Whoa, she cussed. Must have been a good one.
Robert, this is Invisigal. She is part of the Phoenix program. We take former supervillains, such as herself, and rehabilitate them to re-enter society to use their powers for... Are those my earrings?
Well, they look better on me.
Invisigal, this is Robert. He'll be your team's dispatcher.
A washed-up dad bod superhero with no superpowers. Can't wait.
His identity, all of this, that's staying between us. He's still Mecha Man, but that can't get out. And if it does, I'll know who it came from.
You think I want to tell people our dispatcher's a fucking loser?
Look, you might think these are less than ideal circumstances, but it's something you need to get used to. When you're out in the field, even the best laid plans can fail. So, out there or down here, we do what we can. We make the best of it.
Well, I'm wet. I see why you like him. Look at that trip. What does that look? Best Buy Fight Club? Fucking hot.
We have a weekly ranking list for all the heroes in the company.
And she's at the bottom.
She called herself Invisibitch when she was a villain. We're trying to rebrand her.
Yeah, I thought Invisigal felt kind of corny for her.
Oh yeah? The name was my idea. Just get your shit on, Dad Bod.
How can we help you?
We're not the highest profile branch in the network, but we've got what makes the real difference. Great people. Some of them aren't even people, and they're still great. One of the 3 copiers on this floor. Fax, scan, does literally everything. Documentation, one of the 3 Ds at SDN. There tends to be a healthy amount of paperwork. I used to call it triple Ds, but I was informed that had a different connotation.
3 Ds?
Dispatching, documentation, diversity is the 3rd. Not in terms of priority, of course. Yep, we're all about diversity. Lana works in the mailroom, from a different galaxy altogether. And then there's Galen, way back there, born with superhero. He's from... I want to say...
Florida.
Florida, of course. Florida man over there. Hey, easy on the bath salts.
That was one guy.
Hey, speaking of bath, where is the,
Oh, need a bio break?
excuse me?
Restroom. I mean, it's right over there. Sorry. At work, I tend to get a little
Corny?
corporate, Dick. Meet me in the records room when you're done. If you get lost, look for the door that says records room.
Bruh, I almost went in my pants. Hey, you this Robert people talking about? What's up, brother? My auntie named me Roy, but people call me Royd. All right. Good to meet you, bruh.
Likewise.
So roid, like steroid?
Huh? Hell no, brother. No, cuz. Listen. Get you other guys here that go by the name Roy. So I think it's like, we go scrap, we go ground, I boss you up, and then, you got Royd. You know what I'm saying? Bruh? That's what I think. Hey, you think that's why they call me Roy? Like I'm on steroids. But they think I'm some kind of a juice head? They think I'm not natty, bro? They think Roy's not natty.
No, I'm just kidding, man. Just making jokes about your name and the shitter.
Whatever. Nokia.
That's, yeah, Nokia is probably best. Nice meeting you, Royd, even if it was while we were both holding our dicks.
You weren't funny, brother. Mecha man.
Okay, so I was worried about your unwashed hand, but now I'm worried that everyone here knows who I am.
Nah, brother. It's Kapu. Need to know basis and Roy need to know. Other one gonna come pick up your soup or fix them for the SDN.
Cool. You gonna wash before you do that?
Nah, bro. I never touched nothing. Just touch my pants and underwear only. Even for shake, I just do like this.
You show me again. I think I got it.
Holy shit, who's this freckle-faced fuck? How are you?
That's an aggressive way to greet someone.
Look at this skinny latte prick. Your bones, kid. You here to whip these assholes into shape or what?
That's the idea.
Why is this happening?
What? It's a hug, not a hand job. Lighten up.
Be as it may, I'm still confused.
Oh, right, because I'm old as shit. How about this? This jog your memory?
Trackstar?
Holy shit, fucker. Why are you accepting hugs from old men you don't know? Oh, and hey, they call me Chase around here, so keep it, you know.
Sure, right. Yeah, Chase.
It's been what, 10, 15 years?
Has it really been that long?
Yeah, I reached out to this little pissant when his dad passed. Then he got to ducking me like he owed me money.
I was in a weird place.
I understand, kid. It was tough on all of us, so I can't imagine what you went through.
Yeah, so what's up? You gonna tell me why you look like Black Einstein?
Sorry. I never noticed.
Fucker. It's the powers. I can move 50 times faster than the average person, but I didn't realize until it was too late. And I was aging 50 times faster when I used my powers.
Oh shit.
Nowadays, I'm moving slower than frozen piss to keep the old ticker from popping on me.
I had no idea. I'm so sorry, Chase.
Hey, if I feel another ounce
Ah, je me
of you,
doutais qu'il allait dire
I'll
ça
run you
aussi.
over in the parking lot and say it was an accident. They'll believe me because it looks like I'm wearing diapers.
So I guess this means you're the one person I can't complain to about losing my suit.
You better not. I would resurrect and re-kill your fucking father and if it meant being able to use my powers again.
Jesus, Chase.
Wow.
What? Obviously, I'd let Robert have one last "I love you" before I extinguished the light from his eyes.
Was he always like this?
Yes, actually.
We joke, we laugh, we suppress our trauma. All right, enough of this feeling shit. Let's introduce you to your team of losers. Now, if I'm being honest, I thought and still think we should have canned these tunas months ago.
And you might get your wish. Because if we don't see improvement soon, the whole program will be scrapped.
Cool. No pressure.
Sonar here was a Harvard graduate
Who will not shut the fuck up about being a Harvard graduate like all Harvard graduates.
who also orchestrated some of the most effective Silicon Valley investment frauds in U.S. history.
Also, sometimes he transforms into a fucking bat monster that would eat you ass first after he emptied your pension plan.
Ok. Oh non, non, pas lui en deuxième. La blague. Oh putain.
Flambe, he
Controls the fire and the flame, and his skin does not burn.
Right, you met him. Didn't you ever run in with him years back?
I did. Yeah.
So you know he's a certifiable dickhead.
Putain de merde. Ah.
Invisigal, who you met. Turned herself in a few months ago and entered the program on the condition we didn't ask questions.
That's a little suspicious, no?
Suspicious? Really? Of a criminal that turns invisible and doesn't like to answer questions? What tipped you off, Sherlock?
Elle peut devenir invisible quand elle veut, mais uniquement en retenant son souffle. Ah, relou. Asthmatique, désagréable. Aïe aïe aïe.
Here we have coupé, which I
Coupé.
recently learned is a French ballet term that means to cut, hence the knives.
That's very clever.
Yeah, but it sounds dumb to say, so everybody calls her Coop. She was an assassin for the mob, then went independent.
Oh là là, j'ai que des bons, dis donc. Ouais. Alors, mystérieuse, mortelle et farouche. Oh là 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 là.
Punch up.
Carnival strongman who made a deal with a sorceress.
Ah, je l'ai croisé lui aussi.
10 men. His muscles grew.
Ah, mais elle aussi, je l'avais croisée, d'accord.
He's got all the charm and brains of a greasy bowling ball.
Possède la force de 10 hommes et la moitié de la taille d'un seul.
Malevola, terrifying. She's got a magic sword, and she creates portals that allow her to teleport.
Somehow she's still late for every fucking meeting.
I
Mhm. Elle fait 2 mètres. Ah ouais. Putain, mais il y en a 3 déjà qui m'aiment pas, et ça commence bien. Possède une queue préhensile, marraine de sauna. Agression, cambriolage, chantage, contrefaçon, enlèvement, meurtre. Waouh.
That's Golem. He is a construct.
A construct?
2 mètres 30.
Bunch of dirt and mud made sentient with magic. I think he's lonely.
Oh, le pauvre. Bon. C'est pas un gros méchant.
Prison, Michigan born and raised. The power is weird. She weaponizes light rays or some shit. A lot of this stuff is a guess.
Why is he dressed like a pop star?
He's actually super talented.
Photokinésie. Photoionisation. Ok. Beaucoup de followers, d'accord. Oh là là, ça va être des cas tous, hein. Pa, 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 pa. Ok.
Wait, so the Z team, my team, their Phoenix program?
That is correct.
Your own motley crew of dangerous fuck-ups.
We're not looking for miracles, but we'd love one if we could get it. Can you show him his desk?
Sure.
Oh putain, ça partit en sucette. Oh là là.
Squeeze about.
You want one? Here.
Fuck off. This is you. Pretty sparse, but feel free to decorate.
Login, Air Robots. Ok.
This computer's older than you look.
Hmm.
Wait, so we're doing this? I haven't even met the team yet.
We did the slideshow.
First of all, that wasn't a slideshow.
Look, we like to start slow. Most people don't make it past the first dispatch. And this is better for everybody's safety.
What do you mean safety?
You'll be fine. And this here is our little slice of the South today.
Bah, c'est parti.
It's in the area we get a call, and guess who answers?
Me.
Exactly. Now put your headset on and introduce yourself to these pricks.
Oh là là.
Hey team, this is your dispatcher, Robert Robertson. I'm starting my first shift.
Tell me that's not your real first name. Bitch. You can't be this shook on your first day. Come on.
Can we clear the channel, please? There's a lot of overlapping on this.
I saw him in his underwear.
Who? Roberto son?
I saw him in his underwear.
Back in my...
Oh, but he's got a lot of bruises, which I'm into.
Again, please clear the channel.
Oh, I get it. You're
Shut the fuck up. Let me remind you, these calls are fucking recorded for training fucking purposes. So keep the fucking line clear before we send your stupid fucking asses back to whatever fucking cell we pulled your stupid fucking asses out of.
Ok. Il s'est calmé.
My son's balloon is stuck in a tree. Can you send someone?
Oh, vraiment. Grimper un arbre. Je sais pas, moi, grimper, c'est pour qui? Couper? Putain, bah allez. Je pense lui, elle peut, ça peut le faire.
Fetching a child's lost balloon is not the best application of my talents.
Mhm.
Okay. Then tell me what is.
Off the books assassination.
I will take that under consideration.
Inauguration très médiatisée. Bonne image. Prisme, ça me semble vraiment pas mal.
Fine. I'll take Wednesday.
Huh?
Tuesday. On Monday.
What are you guys talking about?
We're taking bets on when you'll quit.
Friday?
Today's Friday.
I know.
Oh, c'est mal barré. Oh, c'est bon. Ok. Alors, grimper. Alors, ouais, il y avait le côté là, mais il y avait aussi. Oh, putain, mais c'est des bras cassés, mais Gugu, c'est pas possible. Allez, il y a moyen que ça passe. Yes.
What's this guy even famous for? Seemed like a loser to me.
Laugh all you want. Someday, my subconscious will live on in a chip, and your subconscious will be dead.
Mhm.
Cringe.
Oh!
My bidet spraying shit everywhere.
Difficulté basse. Réparer le bidet. Non mais d'où j'en vois qui là? Ah c'est moi qui fais.
Let's see if I can do this.
Ah. Ok bon. Il est fait. Ok. Ok. Oh merde. Mais Nick. Ah c'est bon. Relou. J'ai failli fail. Je vais faire des bêtises. Allez le bidet. Yeah, je suis un super héros moi aussi.
Get these idiots out of my bar before they destroy it. And don't send the flaming asshole.
Do you know who we saw in the bar last night? Mecha Man.
And he kicked Flambe's ass. Okay, that little shit did not kick my ass. He did though.
Yeah, I think I heard about that.
No, you didn't. Because it didn't happen, Bob. So we're all going to shut up about it. Yeah? Okay.
Ok, donc on va pas envoyer l'abruti enflammé, d'accord. Diplomatiquement. Oh, Prisme est pas dispo. Et sur le retour, le temps qu'elle se repose, c'est mort. Donc il y a toi. Bon, je vais regarder là-haut ce qu'il faut. Poursuivre les voleurs, restituer le bateau en un seul morceau. De la rapidité. Ah, poursuivre les voleurs, elle peut être vraiment bien, je pense. Allez, Vindy, meuf.
I'm already going this way. Yeah. Trust me. I can handle this a lot faster on my own.
Ah. Ok. Génial. Intéressant. Bon. On va attendre. Je pense que je peux envoyer Prisme quand même. Et Prisme. Hop. Prisme. Courpif. Courpif. Diplomatiquement, peut-être un cerveau. Attends, mais je l'ai pas pris. Qu'est-ce que je fous moi? Ah, on avait besoin de plus d'un. Quand il a signé une mission, Prisme duplique le héros à sa gauche et place son illusion sur un autre emplacement vide avec la moitié de ses stats. Ah, intéressant. Bah go, juste vous deux alors.
What was your read on this Mecha Man guy?
Washed up, drinking alone. A robot guy without his robot, I guess.
So, just a guy?
Hear that, Flambe? You got your ass kicked by just a guy.
Oh, shut the fuck up.
Flambe, you're off route.
Ah, qu'est-ce qui se passe? Ces Ibiodos se battent pour le nom de Fightman. Des idées, de nouveaux noms pour régler ça. Ah. Devenir un duo, ça peut être fun. Ah, ou un relooking d'idole. J'aime bien ça.
All right. From this point on, you two have been reborn as Saber and the Brute.
Mhm.
Hey, a hero ranked up. Good job. Go check that hero database.
Ah ah. Ok, j'appuie comment là.
Now navigate to the new upgrade tab.
Onglet amélioration.
Every rank up earns skill points.
Chaque niveau confère des points de compétence. Ok.
Use the plus icon next to a stat to
Ah
set a
là.
skill point. Once you confirm,
C'est pas facile, hein. Et c'est quoi? Ah, je peux pas les voir, illusionniste, si ça fait quelque chose ou quoi? Bon, j'ai un peu envie d'augmenter son charisme encore. Hmm. Après, les deux trucs opposés, j'ai l'impression que c'est pas une bonne chose. Parce que si je mets pas ça, mais que je mets intelligence, ça augmente vachement le cône, quoi. Et augmenter l'intelligence, c'est vraiment pas mal. Il n'y a qu'un point entre les deux. J'ai bien envie de faire ça. Sois un peu plus intelligente, ma grande. Ça te fera pas de mal. Et c'était quoi son pouvoir? Ok, je connais que ça pour le moment et je s'en saurai plus tard. Ok. Bon, bah ça se passe bien là. Pour des bras cassés. Un incendie.
Did you start that fire?
No.
The fire that's burning 2 blocks from where you're standing. You
Oh.
didn't start that.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm afraid.
Oh non.
Ugh, Flambe, stop fucking around. I've got enough problems without you making new ones.
Quelqu'un de solide, bon bah golem, hein. Clairement.
Hey, anybody got eyes on some garbage? I'm starving.
Missy se fait cambrioler. Éviter les capteurs de mouvement et appréhender les voleurs. Alors, capteur de mouvement, j'ai l'impression que sonar ça peut aider. Faut certainement du cerveau pour ça. Bah, et une visimeuf. C'est tout que je vois le plus en fait. Ah, et je peux apprendre des trucs sur une visimeuf? Pouvoir lorsqu'il est seul. Ah oui. On s'en fout. On va pas t'envoyer seul sur celui-là. Attends, on va aller juste voir celui-là avant. Éduquer l'entre-dieu sur le bras. Donc quelqu'un qui a du cerveau. Shit. C'est qui ça? Qui a le plus? Court pif, je sais plus moi. Hop. Ah bordel. Attends. Ouais non, c'est Sonar qu'on va envoyer là alors au final. Et là... on disait quoi? Je cherchais quoi comme truc? Éviter les capteurs de mouvement. Il est juste invisible, est-ce que le mouvement... Je sais pas. Et couper. J'ai bien envie de l'envoyer une deuxième quand même. Mais donc plutôt couper je pense. Ah, qu'est-ce qu'elle fait? Pour les missions à 2 emplacements et plus, elle gagne 1 en combat. Ah. Si elle est sur le premier emplacement et 1 en mobilité si elle est sur le second. Ok, donc moi c'est plutôt mobilité que je veux. Ok, nickel. Sympa ces petits trucs en plus là. Ah. Avec ton corps. Oh, ça va, un golem quoi. J'ai hésité à envoyer Flambeau. Hein. Mais bon, a priori, ça s'est bien passé. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Comment éviter les capteurs? Pirater le système. Ah. Plutôt zigzag entre les capteurs, je dirais. Pourquoi pirater? Il y a une petite icône. Zigzag entre les capteurs. Pourquoi il me propose pirater avec un truc? J'ai envie de dire zigzag, c'est la vitesse, leur point fort là.
Piece of cake. All sensors are back up, team.
2 points. C'est quoi? Ah, oh, level up ou donc toi, t'as un peu de tout. Qu'est-ce que j'ai envie de te up? Vigueur, ça peut être logique. Mobilité, j'ai qui? Est-ce que je peux naviguer avec les autres? Non? Si. Donc on disait mobilité 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, comme ouais, toutes les deux vous êtes bien. Ok. Ton pouvoir 1. Donc on va pas faire le charisme, c'est sûr. Donc plutôt vigueur, combat ou mobilité. Et combat, je suis comment? Qui est du combat? 3, 4, ouais, ok. Pas la mieux. Ok. On va te faire la mobilité grande. Ok. Ah mais attends, on va aller voir elle. Parce qu'elle aussi, elle a un point. Elle a plus de combat. Ah, elle s'est mis un peu de façon chelou. Disons que toi, vas-y, on continue sur le combat. On a besoin de quelqu'un avec beaucoup de combat, je pense. Ah, je me trompe de touche à chaque fois. Ok. Toi. On va te mettre... j'avais dit quoi? Mobilité, je crois. Voilà. Des voleurs. Compiler et croiser les autres vols d'œuvres d'art sur les réseaux criminels. Donc il faut de l'intelligence, je pense. Et localiser les membres. Ouais, à mon avis c'est que de l'intel. On a qui en intel? Lui il est occupé. Pourquoi il est occupé d'ailleurs? Ouais, enfin intelligence, on est mal les gars. C'est lui qui était allé là-bas. Oh il est bien. Hein. Je vois qu'il est assez bon.
Okay, what's going on with Sonar?
Oh, Sonar se transforme en revenant du mission. Et inverse ses stats. Wow. Ok, chelou. Donc, intelligence et combat sont inversés, charisme. Oh là là. Chelou le mec. Donc là, il a pas d'intel quoi, de toute façon. Donc on s'en fout. Attends. Voilà. Donc on a qui a de l'intel? Putain, c'est la dèche. C'est pas ouf. Bon. Prisme, tu veux y aller? Yeah. Alors toi c'est plus à baston, j'aurais dit Invisible peut-être. Flambeau j'ai envoyé nulle part quoi, si? Je sais plus. Faut pas les stats là, attends, j'ai envie de voir leurs stats, hein, vraiment. Moi je cherche l'intel les gars. Oh là là, c'est une cata. Mais là il est pas en mode intelligence, là ça va basculer sur combat je crois. Après elle est à 3 aussi. Temps de couper alors avec. Elle, est-ce que je connais déjà son pouvoir? Non. Ok, et toi? Duplique le héros à sa gauche sur un emplacement vide. Ouais, donc ça fera rien. Mais bon, on peut toujours mettre là. Ah ouais. Ouais, donc non. Fait comme ça, hein. Après on a beaucoup en baston et je peux pas y faire grand chose. Allez les filles, go, on verra bien. Je sens que je vais la foirer cette mission par contre. C'est bon? Oh! Ah non, c'est bon. J'ai peur pour rien. Donc là, c'était plus de la vitesse qui me disait qu'il me fallait. Ok.
Here, William Vandersnake needs a security detail. Is it cool if I go? Been wanting to pitch him some stuff I've been working on.
Yeah, pretty sure that's exactly what he's trying to avoid.
Dans cette situation, il faut faire un choix.
We're going to need you to protect Mr. Vanderstank from the Vanderstanker fan club.
Essaie de regarder les deux missions. Ok. Quand tu enverras un héros, l'autre option disparaîtra. D'accord. Protéger machin. Empêcher les fans fervents, même sonar. Ok. Et l'autre c'est quoi?
I'm a high-ranking Vanderstanker. It would mean a lot.
Aïe aïe aïe. Non, je suis désolé mec, je vais te faire foutre. Hein. Donc, protéger. Ça serait Golem. J'ai envie de tenter Golem. Après protéger c'était peut-être là en haut la force. Allez Golem, vas-y. Yeah, okay.
I can't do it. I need you in the field. Sorry.
That's like a real bummer, man.
Retrouvez le pickpocket et ramenez-le chez lui, l'encourager à se reprendre en main. Ok, il faut du blabla. Prisme. Je pense que c'est pour toi, Prisme. Vraiment là. Attends, non, attends. On va aller voir l'autre mission d'abord. Une agression. La planque est bien protégée. Faire preuve de discrétion, utiliser l'environnement. Bon bah, une visite meuf. Mais c'est Pomps! Comment qu'il va? Et quelle heure là? Travaille pas cet après? On envoie qui? Discrétion. Pas les deux premiers. Je sais pas qui a envoyé le deuxième. Coupée, elle est un peu violente. Donc une deuxième meuf et qui? Qui pourrait aller avec? Courpif? Je sais pas. Il faut que j'envoie quelqu'un. Prisme, je voulais la garder. Bon allez, on va envoyer elle. Les deux là. Hop. Je vois un nouveau jeu que Seb a acheté. Dispatch. Tu dispatches les super-héros pour les envoyer sur différentes missions. Puis t'as pas mal de narratifs à côté. Donc je voulais envoyer qui, j'avais dit? Je voulais envoyer Prisme. Allez, vas-y, Prisme. Ok. Allez, les gars.
How long was the last dispatcher here?
2 days. New record.
Did that happen?
I set the scar on fire.
Alors, il y a beaucoup de voleurs dans cette planque. Comment l'équipe doit-elle procéder? Faire sortir les tableaux en silence. Ah, vu que j'ai envoyé elle, je peux faire ça. Bah go. Hein.
Get the paintings out quietly.
No promises. I'm a screamer.
Yay. Bien joué, chef. Ouais, elle est déjà niveau 2, elle. 3 du coup. En 2. Ouais, je sais pas. Il a l'air vraiment sympa comme jeu, hein. Faudra tester. Je te le conseille. Donc elle a quoi? Elle a mobilité beaucoup. Combat. Après le deuxième stade c'est combat. J'aurais bien envie de lui remonter encore la vigueur. Parce qu'avant j'avais monté la mobilité. Ouais allez, on va faire ça. On est bon pour elle. Ok. C'est... Oh fuck!
Next time, just let's just try something different.
Oh la poisse, c'est lui qui avait le plus de cette stat pourtant. Bon, on peut pas tout réussir. Hein. Ils ont arrêté le gamin, mais ils savent pas quoi faire d'un voleur de 12 ans. On va essayer de lui parler. C'est ton truc.
Just, give him a pep talk.
Oh, sure, I'll give him a pep talk.
L'écran là, ouais, il ressemble pas mal à ça, ouais. Ouf. C'est passé. Mais sinon, l'arc narratif, à mon avis, il est tu fais des choix, quoi, un peu. Qu'est-ce qui se passe là? C'est elle qui veut y aller? J'ai pas le choix a priori. Donuts de mémé. Ok. Qu'est-ce que je disais? Ouais, les choix que tu fais et tout ça, ça ressemble plus au Walking Dead qu'ils ont sorti il y a plus de 10 ans maintenant. Les Telltales. J'ai l'impression que c'est des choix qui importent comme dans le genre là quoi. Vas-y. Vas-y, une busy meuf.
What does that mean?
Just for tapping. We got access to security cams of SDN subscribers all over our territory.
Wow, really? Is that legal?
Don't ask questions. Just always make sure to read the fine print.
Oula.
Right, I feel like you've said that a lot in your life. What happened?
This is how I found the place. The old guy who, I assume is Granny, was laying here when I walked in. Hey, what's your favorite donut?
Look, can you just focus? What, you got ADHD or something?
Yes, fucker. Is it that obvious?
Yes, fucker, it is.
Well, then answer the question. I don't want to sit here and fixate on it when we're supposed to be doing whatever, superhero shit.
Those long ones with the cream inside.
Oh, you like a dick donut?
No. They're called...
You love big, long, cream-filled Phil, dick donuts. I got it, dude. You like your dick donuts up in your throat, in your ass.
You got me. I love gobbling on hot, sloppy donuts. Love them from my mouth to my butt. How's it going? First day. Thanks for asking me that, so you could get all your funny jokes out. Now, can we maybe address the body in the room? What are you doing? You gonna poke it with a stick?
Check his pulse.
Granny's alive. Thank Christ. I didn't want to have to lift this guy. So, can I go now?
A wellness check. It's a B&E. Let's figure out the perp is still there.
Perp, B&E.
Okay, Lieutenant. Fuck, I can't think of a character from a cop show.
Cool. Well, why don't you stay put and work on that while I get another camera up online?
She's my least favorite. The worst of the lot.
That surprises me. You guys got similar energy. Switch cameras.
Just click the side here and you can cycle all the cameras in the building.
It's weird getting tech advice from an old person.
Bro, I'm not even 40 yet.
Weird hearing bro from an old person.
Dan. Lieutenant Dan? Is that a thing?
Yes, I am the legless Vietnam vet from Forrest Gump. Sick burn. Am I doing something wrong? Pushing that button just says access denied.
Ah, damn it. Sometimes people add extra security. They don't understand it just makes it harder for us to do our job.
Taking so long. Are you sleeping or something, or are you just bad at your job?
Allez mec. Heureusement il maîtrise ce côté-là. Hacker. Ok. Hop, on remet ça dans le sens là.
Why does a donut shop even need extra security?
Bah je te dis bon courage grand hein. J'espère que ça va passer vite. Que la force soit avec toi. Là c'est le log. Ok, j'y vais. Gauche, droite, gauche. C'était l'inverse, Gary. Ouais, c'est pas grave, on a eu bon. Au bas, gauche, gauche. Ok. Waouh, je suis vraiment trop fort. Merci. Oh.
Who are you, Lieutenant Dan?
Hey, shut up for a sec. You're not alone. He's coming your way, armed. You need to disappear.
Why are you whispering, you idiot? You're in my ear.
Allez, vas-y, chef. Yay.
God damn it, this bitch is a gusher.
Be careful.
I got this, Lieutenant Dan. Never mind.
Oh putain.
Got any more great advice?
Un peu d'asthme. Oh. Mais j'ai pas le temps d'appuyer. J'avais pas vu qu'il me demandait mon avis.
Just hold him off while I find a way to help.
Oh là là. What the fuck?
I can use the overhead sprinklers to short out his blaster. Come on, come on, come on.
Oh là.
Got him.
Ok, c'est quoi la clé? Au bas. Au bas. Ça marche pas. Ah putain. Ok. Et là c'est quoi? Au bas gauche haut. Au bas gauche haut. Au bas gauche haut. Au bas gauche haut. Yay. T'inquiète, madame. Invisi Girl. Yay. Ah. Oh, il va se faire exploser le bras. Ah non. Courage, cocotte. Ouf. Ah. Wow, c'était que... Ah, c'est l'autre qui s'est réveillé? Le vieux? Ah.
Granny, I don't think you know how to use that
Allez.
thing, so why don't you...
Shut the fuck up!
Oh, I'm one of the good guys.
You? Yeah, right. Don't fuck with me, okay? Nobody fucks Granny! Nobody fucks with Granny!
Investigal, stay calm.
Great fucking advice, Lieutenant Dan.
Stop calling me Lieutenant Dan, because the joke doesn't work and you sound dumb.
Granny doesn't even know how to shoot that thing. Take out the thief first. He's the only one with his finger on the trigger.
You know what? It's my life on the line.
I'm done listening to you.
Oh.
That thing's gonna blow that man's arm off and there's a whole building with me in it. Fuck off. I'm storming the device.
No, Invisigal, that's a direct order. Oh, fuck. Fuck.
Oh là là.
You there? Come in, Invisigal.
Fuck, this guy's heavy. Granny's clearly a fan of his own work. Oh, really wasn't expecting to see that. He's kind of caked up. So where's the perp, Lieutenant?
I think he just had something else to do, because he left.
I mean, this is why you have insurance, right?
Aïe 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 aïe.
Jesus Christ, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
This feels like a win to me.
That was pretty good for first day. Sometimes people, get electrical burns.
She disobeyed a direct order.
Well, that's the problem. This isn't the army, and these ain't soldiers. They're fucking supervillains. Look, why don't you take a breather? We can debrief with Blaze in a bit. There's vending machines in the break room. You look like you could use a snack.
Are you sure you're not actually 80 years old?
Ça va. Un échec, il y a les ratés. C'est encore pire les ratés ou... Je sais pas. Merci beaucoup de partenariat. J'en ai ok. Un point aléatoire. Montre de récompense. Ah. Un point aléatoire pour qui? Pour Sonar? Ah non. Charisme. J'ai envie de dire prisme, hein, logiquement. Ok. Continuez. Ah là là. Oh putain. Ah.
Hey.
Oh bordel de merde.
Superhero punches. I didn't say which superhero. Chill out.
If you had people trying to kill you for the last 15 years, you'd be jumpy too.
What makes you think my life has been any different? You think growing up surrounded by a bunch of shitbag villains, I didn't need to watch my back?
Yeah, well, I guess you should do a better job picking your friends.
What the fuck?
You can't just go around. Ow! Why does he keep screaming?
His name's Sonar.
Yeah, I know what sonar means.
What's up?
Then why are you asking why he keeps screaming?
She was just explaining your, you know what? Never mind.
This guy's weird.
Yeah, he is. Look, I actually just came by to celebrate the mission going well. Didn't mean to interrupt your little snack. What, do you need it pre-chewed like a little baby bird, bitch?
You seriously think that went well?
No, I think it went great.
You trashed the place. The suspect got away. You got the client hurt. You think when that guy signed up for SD and they did result in the back of his ball sack getting scorched? Because they don't mention that in the commercial.
First of all, the place was trashed when I got there. Second, I'm sure Granny would take some crispy nuts over losing his arm. As far as the bad guy, fuck, shit happens.
The fact of the matter is that shit didn't need to happen. We could have had an outcome where the client doesn't get fried and we get the perp if you had just fucking listened to me. You ask for help, then I can... What now? I make the calls, not you.
Here's some advice. You're right at home behind that desk because you're no hero. You were a nerd playing a video game in a suit your daddy built. Now you're a twitchy little bitch turtle without a shell. A real hero puts their ass on the line. A real hero can't just press a button and make their problems disappear.
The fact of the matter is, you need me way more than I need you. Based on what I saw today, you wouldn't last a day as Mecha Man. Because there isn't a mech suit in the universe that'll keep you from being a selfish fucking asshole.
Yay. On part sur une bonne base là.
Good. Fuck you.
You gonna eat those Twinks?
That's not what they're... You know what? Help yourself.
What happened to your nose?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go.
You have a tissue hanging from your nose, Robert. I was trying to ignore it, but that became impossible when it started soaking in blood.
I don't know. I just sort of bumped my head, I guess.
Right. When I think of someone bumping their head, it's the back of their head. Your nose, your bloody nose, is the same place as your eyes, which is on your face.
Right, yeah. I guess I bumped my face then.
We're here to assess Robert's first shift, and aside from whatever happened here, I thought it was pretty good.
What?
Told you, Robbie.
I was watching on the monitor. The work you did dispatching. I don't think the Z-team has ever had a...
Ah bah merci Pomps pour le follow. Mais t'es encore là? Va travailler!
Yeah, now the Granny situation, that wasn't ideal. But I've seen so much worse with Invisigo.
Let's be real. She ain't gonna make it.
She's difficult to work with, sure. But I see a lot of promise in her.
Bon courage.
Even the other
Merde.
Z-teamers respect her.
They're afraid of her.
I should have done better. Maybe a couple wires got crossed toward the end there. I could have been a little more clear with her.
You crossed 0 wires, okay? She crossed them for you.
Look, Robert, you should be proud. The bar is very low with this group.
Well, it's not low for me. Look, I like to make a joke and keep things light as much as the next person. But when it comes to work, I'm not fucking around. If you want the Phoenix program to survive, the bar needs to go up.
And how would we do that?
By treating the Z-team like what they are, a bunch of villains. And leading a supervillain team takes a different approach than a superhero team. I need to be around them. I need them to see I'm all in, and they need to match that energy.
Some tough love.
The only kind I know. And based on what I've seen, the only version they'll respond to. I'm not saying everyone will make it. They won't. I'm not saying it won't get spicy. It will. But when it does, I also need you to trust me to handle it. I don't want you stepping in. They need to respect me, even if I don't have powers.
Okay, we'll do it your way. Monday, we'll get them in a room and introduce them to their new supervillain leader.
I can't promise it'll work. I can only promise that I'll do my best.
No fucking way it's gonna work. But it'll be way more fun to watch.
Chase, some optimism, please.
God damn it. Yeah, I also promise to do my best.
Hey, kid.
What?
What are you doing?
Yeah. No. I did this. It's weird because I saw this lady, smiling lady, person put a donut on your desk earlier, previously, and it was nicely on a napkin. And she comes back and she just crazy, like evil mode, and hit, smash the same donut.
Yes.
We'll clean it.
What? No.
No, yes. See, I'm SDN's newest. He
Hero?
helpful janitor. Helpful janitor.
Okay. Cool.
So it's my pleases pleasure, and is my job, which you helped me get. So thank you. Thank you so much.
Happy to help.
It's Friday. I'm not gonna ask. You headed out?
Oh, yeah. Great. Thanks, kid.
Welcome to the team, Waterboy.
Yeah, welcome to you. You too.
Hey, I want you to know us fixing your suit is not contingent on you fixing the Z-Team. I wouldn't do that to you.
That's good to know.
But don't worry about that. I'm just really glad you're here, Robert. I think we're going to do some great things together.
I'm really glad I'm here too.
Actually, there's something I've been meaning to tell you. It's a little awkward to mention, but since the other night,
Blonde Blazer. Are you ready to go? Who is this? I thought I'd cataloged all of your work companions.
Robert, this is my boyfriend. This is our new dispatcher I was telling you about. Robert?
The third Robert Robertson, leader of the Phoenixes. Blonde Blazer told me about you.
Really? Did she, say, I don't know, what came up in that talk?
She said you're a capable, honorable man that truly cares for others. Why are you so small?
Hey, come on. You gotta stop asking people that.
The way you spoke of him made him sound impressive. I only seek to understand. I apologize. How was his first day? Was his lack of size and strength an issue?
No, he was great. It was great. It was a great first day.
That is phenomenal. We should celebrate. Blonde Blazer and I have reservations in Tokyo at a restaurant where the owner dreams of sushi. You should join us. I'm sure they could accommodate one more, especially a special occasion like this.
Actually, I gotta get home to my dog. He's very needy.
Oh, of course. But to be responsible for another life is a beautiful thing, even if that life is a dog life.
Yeah, right.
He flies a little faster.
It was very nice to meet you, third Robert Robertson.
A pleasure was...
Now, could you step back? The power of my launch has been known to stun small beings. Phenomenal.
Ben c'est un très bon début de jeu ça. Alors ouais, bon le donut c'était plus par rapport à elle que je le conseillais, mais c'est pas grave. Ah ouais.